Hello guys! Earlier today, MiniMax H3 AI video model was released, and it is said to be an open source model with awesome abilities comparing with Seedance 2. And on the same day, Seedance 2.5 was also released to the public with stronger functions. I will put the official access link in the description. A lot of people are wondering which model is better, so I ran some tests myself. Some materials come from the MiniMax's official blog post. Let's find out.
Hello?
You should not be here.
Who are you?
The man who owns this house.
You're not human.
And you smell like war.
I'm not afraid of you.
Then you should be.
Explosion in the rear. I am speeding up.
So which one do you like better? In my opinion, Seedance 2.5 is still better. However, a lot of people are also excited that MiniMax H3 is open source, which gives it more possibilities. Here are the main model specifications about MiniMax H3 and Seedance 2.5, and you can now access them through the official links below. The new models are also coming out soon in HitPaw AI softwares. And please don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe for more latest news. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.